Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, I would have spoken about the efforts being taken by many sources to convert the world's longest serving aircraft carrier, which is INS Virat, into a museum and save it from getting scrapped. I have provided the link to that particular video in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video. Today we would be speaking about how INS Virat is getting converted into a world-class maritime museum opposite to Liverpool city centre in England. Just to give a quick recap, there were many attempts to convert the INS Virat into a hotel and a museum, but in July last year, the central government made it very clear that the ship had to be scrapped, and the decision to scrap the INS Virat was taken in due consultation with Indian Navy. Many defense lovers and many people in defense itself were not happy with this particular decision. The Shriram Group of Gujarat has purchased this ship for around rupees 38 crores, and this decommissioned aircraft carrier, which is INS Virat, was towed from Mumbai to Alang in Gujarat on September 20, 2020. This is the place where it will be scrapped in a shipbreaking yard. A carrier that served the Indian Navy for almost 30 years before being decommissioned is not supposed to be treated this way, and this is what every people feels. The point to note here is INS Virat is the second aircraft carrier after INS Vikrant, which was sent to the scrapyard. This is an asset of Indian Navy and something which India should feel proud of and preserve the same. Converting such a ship which India received from Royal Navy into a scrap will not take much time, but the same cannot be restored again if we feel wrong about the decision later. INS Virat, which is getting so much support via social media, was the flagship aircraft carrier of the Indian Navy before INS Vikramaditya was commissioned in 2013. Before joining Indian Navy, INS Virat was commissioned as the Royal Navy's HMS Hermes in 1959, and later it was decommissioned in 1984. Post decommissioning from the Royal Navy, INS Virat was sold to India and was commissioned into Indian Navy on 12th May 1987. According to the Indian Navy, INS Virat operated 4 squadrons of the Naval Air Arm of the Indian Navy, which were the INAS 300 or White Tigers, which was formed using the Bay Sea Harrier fighters. The next one is the INAS 552 or the Braves, which was formed with the same Bay Sea Harrier fighters. The third squadron was INAS 321 or Angels, which was formed using HL Chetak helicopters. The fourth one is INAS 330 or the Harpoons, which was formed using the Westland Sea King helicopters. Now coming back to the news of how INS Virat is getting back as HMS Hermes, we know that the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson would be visiting India as a chief guest at the Republic Day on January 26, 2021, and before his visit, a British trust had written to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Boris Johnson for helping to save the INS Virat. Their request in the letter is to save the historical warship or allow the trust to tow it back to the United Kingdom. The trust has obtained quotes from reputable towing expert for the long tow to the United Kingdom from Mumbai, India, and the trust plans to create a world-class maritime museum opposite Liverpool city centre to display this particular warship. Even according to me, if the Indian government or defense is not ready to save such a historical aircraft carrier, it should be handed over to the United Kingdom Trust, which is the home country for INS Virat before joining Indian Navy, and we should let it stay in full form as a museum instead of getting scraped. Let's hope at least this happens and INS Virat is saved from getting scrapped. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.